What's going on, YouTube? It's your girl Robin. We got a little different thing going on today. We are not eating right now. What we will be doing, give me the box, is putting together my nephew's dinosaur train track that he had bought. I bought him because my sister doesn't want to put it together. Well, it's a lot of pieces, so it's a lot of work. So we're going to put it together for him. And it's called Rail Car. It has an electric car that goes through the rails and through the dinosaurs around the track. We have 186 pieces, you guys. Excuse me. We have 186 pieces to put together on this. So join us as we collect the pieces and get this together. Oh, excuse me. I'm gonna sit this right here. Maybe you guys can see all the pieces.
You gotta be 5 each.
Of it. And how do I do it?
Oh, look at it. Look. Yeah, try to get it in. See how it's like this? There we go. And it just snaps right in. No, not like that. You gotta actually put your force in it.
Okay.
It won't break.
Together, 5 pieces together?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4.
It's not snap, look.
So when it does that, that means it's already in.
Like what? Like this?
Yes.
It's supposed to be able to move.
Look.
Okay.
Hurry. 1, 2, 3.
It's like a little puzzle piece, you guys. See?
Yeah.
A puzzle piece.
These are the favorite thing I just love playing with now.
Huh?
I got my stacks ready up already.
All the blues?
I've been started on blues.
Let's show the world the blues.
Okay.
How you got your blues. This is the blue, you guys. This is the blue part of the track. So right now we're putting the track piece together. Turn this light on behind us so we can have more light. We need more lighting for you guys. I left my other light upstairs.
There we go. If you need help, just tell me you need help, okay?
Yes.
You're struggling a lot.
I'm very slow with this.
But at least you're getting
I
it
feel
done.
like I have a strength that will break them.
Yes, you will.
So I'm trying not to break them.
See, Mom? I'm a
But he's going to be happy to come home to seeing his pieces together for him to play with it.
Where are we going to put it at, though, since it's a lot?
Right there.
On the carpet?
Over there.
Oh, okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I got. At first I was doing 6, but then I miscounted because there was only like 5 left. So I'm like, matter of fact, let me redo it and make it all 5.
Instead of me just leaving them at single pieces, I'm gonna
snap them all together.
And that way I don't have to go back to the green and add them back together.
Pretty smart. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. There we go. Like, yeah, it makes some more other pieces, but he's here, out there, probably stiffware. Ooh, stiffware.
Stiffware. Ooh, stiffware. These kids in this song.
There we go. What are you like?
If you guys hearing like something else, it's because you guys hear the heater on.
And the TV.
And the TV.
Want me to help you?
Please.
See how good I am at this? I don't think he got the glow in dark ones though. The glow in dark ones are so cool.
They said it's glow in dark in here.
There's some glow in dark ones like this. Oh, I got it backwards. There we go. And sometimes when you don't want to fit, you gotta switch the size because like it shows right here which one goes which.
I've noticed that, daughter.
Huh?
I've noticed that.
You still in your first one?
Yep. Then I'll put them all together on this one. No, I said turn this light on behind me.
Yeah, we need a cord for it.
Cord is upstairs. Yellow train tracks.
Already? Yeah, no, not put them all together. You have to put them all. You want to put them all together? Like, I thought we were going to do this.
We don't have to do it like that. It could be our own.
Okay.
It doesn't have to be like the book. I mean the box. Now, what do we do?
Those are pieces you can add to it to make it like a. I think it's not coming off or something.
We're adding. It's going dead. Okay, we'll come back, you guys. We're gonna go finish this project and we'll show you the outcome of it. Thank you for tuning in. My phone is going low light, so I'm going to charge it and let you guys see what we've got accomplished so far. And we're gonna finish the product and we will show you it back later. Toodles! This is me and my oldest child, Naraya. Thank you for tuning in with us. You guys have a blessed day.